Hi, I'm Ravi Handa, founder of the website handagafanda.com, and today I'm here to talk to you about the XAT crash course that we have. Now, first of all, why do we even need a special course for XAT? What I have been studying, or what you have been studying for the whole year, for let's say prepare for CAT or for SNAP, won't that be enough? Well, yes and no. The yes part, the basic fundamentals of Quant, the basic fundamentals of verbal, they all remain the same. They get asked in CAT also, XAT also, SNAP also, IFT also, almost all MBA entrance exams. But XAT is different. How is that different? The fundamental difference in that is that there is a particular section on decision making. That's a whole section that is as important as Quant, that is as important as verbal. So that is the reason you need to prepare specially for decision making. Another point is that LRDI is not that important in SAT. It is just a little bit of a part of the Quant section. So you don't really need to focus on LRDI that much. And that is the reason you need a slightly structured way to prepare for the SAT exam. And that is what we are trying to deliver via this crash course. How are we planning to achieve that? Well, once you register with us, you will get a bunch of small little modules. One module will cover the previous year's SAT papers, SAT 2017, SAT 2018 and SAT 2019. We will cover important questions from this and you'll have video solutions on those. Another thing would be that you will get a special course for Quant, special course for verbal. That will help you revise what you already know. But along with that, you will get one complete course for XAT decision making. Now that is unique, that is special, and that is what you need because you have not studied decision making till now. For XLRI and for a few other colleges as well, GK might play a role. So this course, crash course of ours, will also include a special module for GK which will cover everything that you need for GK. Along with that, the mock test papers for XAT, 5 mock test papers for XAT would be provided. And in case you don't know, the pattern is a little bit different in the XAT exam. For the simple reason that you can actually shift your papers, shift your sections. What I mean by that is, it's not necessary that you need to spend 1 hour on Quant, 1 hour on verbal and stuff like that. You don't need to do that in XAT. You have 3 hours, you can spend 2.5 hours on Quant if you want and the other half hour or the other subjects. It's not recommended, but in theory, you can actually do that. And that is why you need to practice on the XAT pattern. That is why we also include mock tests for XAT in our crash course. I hope with the crash course that we have, you will be able to not only prepare well for XAT, but you will be able to score well in XAT as well. So these are some of the features of our XAT crash course. You can read more about it on the link which is given or where you are even watching the video.